This video will show how you can start a ScreenMeet Remote Support session directly from within Genesys. As you can see here, our agent has received a chat from Craig who needs some support on our machine. The agent can start a ScreenMeet Remote Support session directly from the component here. This example has some options how the session starts, but typically you would set these to be enabled or disabled by default. I'm going to start with remote control, and I'm also going to record this session and have admin. Once I've created the session, I can send a link back via the chat to Craig to click on to join the session. If I have a phone conversation with Craig, I can also send them to a URL or to execute a shortcut on a desktop where they can enter that PIN to join the session. Once Craig has clicked the link, he will be entered into the session, and you can see here that the ScreenMeet component is changed to a View Screen button. This will now open a tab in the browser, and we now have full remote control of Craig's machine. Over here on the right-hand side is the agent toolset. When connecting to Windows machines, there is Windows Tools, which has shortcuts for many items you would find just navigating through Windows. When you execute a command through here, it will launch with admin, and it will also be captured as an event in the session log history afterwards. Through this Windows Tools menu, you can also reboot the machine, and it will reconnect back into the session when it reboots. Craig's issue was a problem connecting to a Wi-Fi, so our agent can easily, from a shortcut, open the device manager and explore issues in network adapters. Some other features in here enable the agent to invite others into the session. So if you want to bring subject matter experts or even transfer from level 1 to level 2, just by providing this URL, you can bring them into session and make sure that the end user gets their problem fixed on that first contact. There's also file transfer options. These file transfers will be virus scanned during transfer, and you can also set them to be deleted once the session has completed. Okay, let's end this session, and we'll go back into our Genesys platform and review the session logs. Session logs can be viewed under Interactions. You'll see the session we just had with Craig. If we open that session, you'll see we have a log of the events that took place during that session, such as features that were launched, agents that were invited, and files that were transferred. For a more detailed demonstration, please contact us at ScreenMeet.com.